Today we have reached on river Niranjana. It is also called Falgu river. प्रशासन से हम दिखलाना चाहते हैं कि देखिए निरंजना नदी जिसमें भगवान बुद्ध ने अपना जो सुजाता ने खीर दिया था उसको फेंका था, और ये कितना गंदगी है, इसी में नाली बह रही है। यहाँ पर इसका यह स्थिति है। इस पर प्रशासन को ध्यान देना चाहिए। हम लोग पुल का वॉक करेंगे और देखेंगे आपको पुल भी बहुत कम चौड़ा है, इसकी चौड़ाई बढ़ाई जानी चाहिए, इसे 4 लेन बनाया जाना चाहिए। यह रोड जो है सो बोध गया को सुजातागढ़ से जोड़ती है। महाबोधि टेम्पल के आने वाले जो पर्यटक हैं वे सुजातागढ़ जाते हैं इसी पुल से, इसी ब्रिज से। तो इस पर भारत सरकार को, संस्कृति पर्यटन मंत्रालय को और प्रशासन को, जिला प्रशासन को ध्यान देना चाहिए। तो हम लोग चलते हैं टूर की ओर। फॉर इंटरनेशनल डिवोटी I want to say you that this bridge, this is Sujata bridge, goes to Sujatagarh. This bridge goes to Sujatagarh. This is bridge. This is also called Falgu river. This road goes to Sujatagarh. You can go Sujatagarh by this bridge. Approximately 1 kilometer distance from main temple, Mahabodhi temple. Distance from this bridge. The length of this bridge also 1 kilometer. This bridge goes to Sujatagarh. Bhagwan Buddha has done meditation. Done meditation before they have got enlightenment on that area. Other side of this river you are seeing the front side. In that area Bhagwan Buddha had done meditation before they have got knowledge, they have got enlightenment. So the importance of this river is very much. This is very sacred river for the devotee of Buddha. Lord Buddha has, it is said that Lord Buddha has thrown away the bowl after taking sweet rice in this river Niranjana. You can imagine the beauty of this area, the beauty of this river. Which attracted Lord Buddha here for meditation. So if you want to reach Sujatagarh, the village of Sujata, where Lord Buddha was offered sweet rice before enlightenment, then you should come here. What is the features of this river? One side river, Bhagwan Buddha has done meditation. They have not got knowledge, not obtained enlightenment. On the other side of the river, they done meditation, they got knowledge, they obtain enlightenment. In that period, there will come teachers which attracted Lord Buddha in this area for meditation. We are reaching this side of river. Other side of river, Bhagwan Buddha has got knowledge. Other side of the river, Mahabodhi temple. And this side of river, Bhagwan Buddha has done meditation. They are offered sweet milk rice by Sujata. Sujata taught him. Sujata gave him sweet rice for it. They eaten, they ate. We have reached this side. This road goes to Sujatagarh, and this road goes to Sujatagarh, the village of Sujata, and this road goes to meditation place of Lord Buddha.